This little piece of hardware on my hand right now is a Western Digital SN850X, an NVMe M.2 SSD, which is meant to be one of the best for gamers and to basically just upgrade your whole system. This is a close-up which you can't see because it's so small and my camera doesn't even focus on it. But do stay tuned for actual close-ups. Hello everyone, my name is Jutinal Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Western Digital SN850X. That's some juicy noises. Lol. This is the box I came in. Let's open it. So I've ordered from Amazon, as you all know. I get everything from Amazon, lol. But anyways, this is the front box. Western Digital Black SN850X NVMe SSD M.2. It doesn't say that actually, but yeah, this is an M.2. It's a gaming disk Q. I'm hoping that's how you pronounce it, lol. Anyways, I got this. It's a 2 TB Gen 4, up to 7,300 megabytes read, and I think it's like 6,500 write or something. Anyway, so that's the side, that's the top. See, these tags, right, they make me feel like you can just buy it off the shelf. You probably could. They probably sell it like in these shops. I haven't been to like one of these retailers in such a long time. But anyways, Western Digital SN850X high performance PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Okay, so I don't actually know too much about this. I was actually recommended this, right, by somebody that's a gamer. This is apparently meant to be really good for gaming. So up to 7,300 megabytes read, up to 1.2 million IOPS. I'm not too sure what IOPS even is. Lol. But anyways, this is just unboxing. There's nothing technical. 5 years. Okay, NVMe Express. So anyways, why did I actually get this? It's because I'm actually building a Bitcoin node, lol. So we'll come to that later, but let's get on with this unboxing just to get it out and just to show everybody what they've come here for. Interesting. I guess I can peel this. My knife was not needed, but for old time's sake. Oh, the smooth like butter experience, lol. Let's throw that away, lol. Anyway, so interesting. Ooh, so small. And I've opened it the right way or the wrong way. That's product. So we're getting this. What is this? I actually need the knife here. It's the user instruction. So I want to really know, right? Write in the comments down below. Would you ever actually read all of this? Like, it's crazy. There's so much information. But anyways, let's put that away, shall we? Let's look at the actual product that everybody is here for. So, this is it. I don't know if you're meant to be wearing any gloves or anything whilst touching this. I'll probably damage it, but that's a close-up for you all, just so you can see everything that it says in it. And yeah, probably shouldn't have touched that. It just feels that you're not meant to touch it. But yeah, 2 TB. Basically, I'm going to put this into a laptop for my Bitcoin node. I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade the laptop. So it's a Dell Precision 5550, I believe. It had a 512 gigabyte hard drive in it, a SSD. So I'm upgrading it to 2 TB because I want the Bitcoin node to last a while. It's going to be very experimental. You can actually buy Bitcoin like presets and nodes and stuff from other companies. For example, I'm going to be using the Start 9 operating system. But anyways, you can watch that video and yeah, we can see the upgrade as such. There's something funny in that video, so do watch, because yeah, the laptop might be broken after me dealing with it. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure you do subscribe if you want to. It helps me out. But yeah, if you enjoy my content, please do subscribe. Many of you don't. That's what the stats is telling me. But anyways, do like, comment down below. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care all. Bye-bye.